is Hans, and it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got another porridge. This is from Pamana. Ginataang Monggo. So it's like a Filipino variety made in the U.S. for like the Filipino market in the U.S., I guess. It's a mung bean porridge with coconut milk, and I think it's going to be a sweet one. So you've got this stuff, and then you've got this frickin' huge sachet. So we're going to put this perking thing in here, and then we're going to go and get to business. We're going to get to business. Oh wow, that smells really good, yo. Okay. You know what I want to do is I want to go to a Filipino restaurant because I've never done so. I've had a lot of Filipino instant varieties, but I've never had like the authentic article. I know there's one at the Pike Place Market down in Seattle. A little more. Okay, there we go. And we're gonna do clear 5 start. You're supposed to stir it right off the bat. I did one of these yesterday, and the thing that interests me about these is, you know, you'll find these kind of things on the instant noodle aisle, but obviously it's not an instant noodle. But this is like gluten-free, and my wife does the gluten-free thing. So any kind of time that I've got the opportunity to try something new that might be something she'll like, then that's really cool. Yeah. So, oh, what's going on? Yesterday, what did I need to get? So we're sick, and when we're sick, I'm just like, I'm just gonna eat. So I went to needed to go to the store. She's got like gluten-free pasta. Like, check this out. This is like penne. It's gluten-free. It's made with corn and rice. It's not bad. Like if you like boil it up and try to eat it straight, it doesn't work. But if you put stuff with it, it's not bad. Anyway, just like, I guess most people don't just eat straight pasta. But anyway, usually I'll get like mac and cheese and throw away the mac part, and we'll use the cheese and do something with that. So I needed to get that. I wanted burritos, and I wanted freaking pumpkin spice ice cream, because they've got some down there that's like freaking insane. So anyways, I'm like, okay. So I go down the hill. And she had an errand. She got back, and then I was like, well, I'm not just going to go right away. I'm going to hang out for a few minutes before I go. And I feel lucky that I did, because if I hadn't, there was a car that apparently had gotten clipped and then like went all the way up on the sidewalk. And I can't see for crap. I'm legally blind. If I would have gone a few minutes earlier, I would probably been right at that spot, and I would have gotten ran into. So, yeah. So I went to the store, came back, blah, blah, blah. And then I got the wrong kind of macaroni. So it was like 9:30 p.m. And I'm like, oh, you wanted the Velveeta stuff, the gooey stuff. Oh, well, I got the regular Kraft powder, because that's what we used last time. Oh. I'm like, well, I can go get more. She's like, you don't have to. I'm like, no, I'll go do it. So I went down to the store, and I got that one. Now we've got a backup. Next time we can use that one. But, yeah. It's nice to be nice to the nice. Yeah. And now, it's the next day. It's kind of weird weather. I'm really liking it. We're both liking it a lot, because if it's cloudy outside, there's less people out. They seem to like. I don't know how it works this way because we live in Washington, and at this time of year it rains, and I don't know. Rained a little bit, kind of sprinkly, not bad, but like for example, the trail I was walking on most of the time. I don't do that as much anymore, but that trail would have, like, say, you'd pass by right now on a day like, if it was a nice day, maybe 12 people per mile. Say it was something like that. If there's clouds in the sky and a threat of rain, it's like one to 4 person per mile. It's just like, oh, it's gonna rain. I don't want to melt. It's really, really odd. It's like, you're gonna be okay. I don't know how this is gonna be. It's thick. But yeah. I don't know what kind of garnish I could put on this. I really have no clue at all. I think it's about what it's gonna be. My nose is all stuffed up. Yeah. Oh, so there's weird things around. My daughter's never had one of these Twinkies, but we were at the store walking down an aisle, and they had like coffee drinks. What did they have? They had a coffee drink that said it was Twinkie flavor. No freaking joke. And right next to it, what did they have? Ding Dongs flavored coffee, like, drink. It's like, dude, liquid Twinkie? I mean, it's just like, oh my god, this is so great. It's got the flavor of Twinkies, and it's just a beverage. It's so wonderful. Who's saying that? Whoa. They certainly seem to be well stocked, I can say that. So here is our mung bean porridge, congee, whatever you want to call it, with coconut milk. So, cheers. Oh, there's little bits in there. Whoa! Did something happen here? Yeah, connect. I don't know if we're still recording. I'm hoping we are, but there we are. Yeah, we're still recording. All of a sudden, my monitor just decided to give it up. So it's like there's these little bits in here that are kind of almost chalky. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what those are. Is it good? Eh. Is it horrible? No. Is it a delight? Eh. Is it satisfying? Is it... What is it? I don't know. Whew. I could see this if it was like all you had and you came back in from the outdoors after it was like you were in a blizzard. But they don't have blizzards in the Philippines, do they? We've been caught in a blizzard. And we can't see a thing. If you're super nerdy, you'll know what that reference is. But if you're not, that's alright. You'll be okay. Alright, Rotato. Show them what you got. Alright, well, hey, thanks for watching. Yeah, this has been a great episode. Sure to please everyone. Like, subscribe, eat some porridge. Yes, so, I was the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Oh, I didn't push the right button. Bye-bye now.